It's going to be very simple. Over here we have a crock pot. You can see the dark nut.
That's it.
This is our crock pot.
We love our crock pot.
Yeah, right now it's plugged in and turned on high. Nothing in it whatsoever.
Well, I hope so.
What we're going to be doing is pork loin. I thought it's a feet. Pork loin. That's what this is here. It's from the freezer. So it's frozen solid.
Yeah, that's frozen solid. You guys gonna fit in there?
We're going to put that in the crock pot.
After it shrinks down.
We're going to put these potatoes in there. We find the can opener. There it is. This is a can opener. Put that in there, turn. I got the cans open. And we're going to put those in there. Alright. There you go.
Juice and all?
Just water. Just canned potatoes.
Do you have any soup or anything to put in there?
I don't know. So we gotta find out.
I just wonder if that lid's gonna shut with that.
Okay. Let's see. Fresh onions put on top.
I don't think they have any chicken broth or any
broth?
beef gravy or anything like that.
Oh yeah, it's chicken broth.
Well, maybe you can get some and then you just add it after a while.
But this way you cook the way it is. You want to just put water in there. But I'm gonna get some gravy. I'm gonna use the cans I had the potatoes in.
Yeah. And put some seasoning on there.
Right. I'm just gonna add 1 cup of water.
Yeah.
1 can of water. That's all I'm putting there for now. I'm gonna get about probably 2 cans, maybe 3 cans of gravy. I'll put 2 in there now. If there's enough, I'll add a third one.
Yeah.
And then you just season the way you want to. I know we like garlic.
Mm-hmm.
And you know it's not poultry. I still put it in that. This tastes good.
Holy cow! That was the whole bottle.
Oh, good. So that's the same thing.
Whew!
Oh, and also we do have onion.
Yeah, you want to chop some onion, we can do that onion. Yeah.
That was yes, by the way. And there we go. There's onion. I take the cans, put in recycle. Find a knife.
You chop that onion.
Cut off the cans on the inside.
Woo-wee!
Cut off the parts that are too sugar.
Get off.
Actually, I'm gonna leave that under for now.
Oh boy.
That's kind of widely chopped, but it's just gonna fall apart anyway, so put it in there.
Yeah, the skins will come off after.
Everything will dissolve, yeah.
Yeah.
You can take the skin off if you want to. You can cut it better. You can chop it little bits.
Yeah.
It's just for flavor. Now we're gonna try to figure out how to get this meat in there now. See if I can cut it.
You can cut it all because it's frozen.
It's cut.
Yes?
Yeah, it's gonna take a little while. So we'll stop the video for now, and then we'll come back after it's cooked a little bit. I'll show you a little bit more.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean that's a good idea.
This is gonna take a little while to cut this.
Be careful.
Okay, we can stop the video time.
Okay. So we'll come back and then show you what the results are.
We'll take a look at our meat here. It's been a couple hours. Yeah. Starting to turn colors.
Is it?
Trying to find the... Spin over there. This order. Flip it over real quick and see what the other sides are. Oh yeah, it's right. It's off. It's all thawed out already.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good.
Flip it
Oh
over.
my God, that looks good.
Oh, it's looking really good. I got it cut into 2 chunks there. I was able to cut it in half.
Once you get the gravy in there, it's gonna be really good.
Oh yeah. Suck up the gravy and I'm gonna get 3 or 4 cans and put 2 in there for sure. Okay, what I've done now is I added 3 cans of gravy. There was already the water from earlier in there, which you can see is still there. I'm just going to let that sit on top and soak right through the meat. I just use the basic gravy, beef gravy, even though it's a pork loin. It kind of gives it that, like a meatloaf style flavor. And of course there's, you know, different ways to do it. But I just put 3 cans of beef gravy in there. There they are. And then there's already potatoes in the bottom, and the meat's on top of those. The potatoes are going to soak up some of the gravy too, and they're probably going to turn out to be a little mashed up at the end, so you might as well smash them if you want. And then we're just going to add the broccoli with it. Broccoli and cauliflower. And it's going to be really good. So the next thing in the video should be us eating this and see how it tastes. Well, we're about to eat this. So it came out pretty good. Fresh hand-picked broccoli and cauliflower.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay. It's been cooking all day, so I'm going to attempt to get it out of the pan without destroying it. Or crock pot. Oh, that's barely got that piece out of there. Maybe. Oh, I did.
Oh, that's cool.
So there's our loin roast.
Yeah.
And then the...
That's gonna kind of cut like butter.
Oh yeah. Just gonna show what's in here.
Yeah, maybe it's over there.
Just got potatoes and gravy in here. Some onion.
That looks really good.
And here we got the broccoli and stuff I already showed. And I bet you I don't even need a real knife to cut that.
No. Why don't you demonstrate?
There's a butter knife.
Yeah. So, oh, yeah.
Perfect. So this should be really good. If you want the recipe, just follow along. It's pretty easy. Just throw in a crock pot with all the seasonings and let it go.
That's all you do. Let it go. We put it going at what time? 9 or 10?
It was around 9 this morning, I think. So it's been
So
almost
8 hours?
No, almost 11 hours. Well, 7:30 would have been 10 and a half hours. But I turned it down to low at around 3. So I cooked on low from 3 to now. So it cooked on high for 9, 10, 5 hours. And then low,
Yeah, that's done.
then low for another 5 hours. So
That's definitely done.
probably could have ate this around 5, but Pam was working and I wasn't ready or something.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna eat now. And if you see this video, that means it was good and we survived. And
That means, you know what that means? That means you're a good cook.
Yep.
And there's breadsticks over there.
Oh yeah, we got breadsticks to go with it too.
Don't touch that pan, it's hot.
This one here?
Yeah, don't touch that. Okay, so we're gonna eat it, and cause I'm hungry. I had pizza for lunch, but that didn't fill me up. That was just a small little piece.
Yeah. I had some fries at McDonald's earlier. That's all I've had. So.
Hey, so you like this video? What do you do?
Give it a thumbs up and watch the rest of it because there's more to come. So
Okay, anyway.
that's all in the presentation. Here's what it looks like when you put it in the bowl. Pretty good to me. Pam's already been eating it. What was it?
It's good. You don't even have to chew that meat.
That's really good.
Sales, you.
It's been a little bit of a slow week. We did have a package go yesterday. It was a auction for a 50-cent item. Otherwise, we haven't had a sale since Monday. Not sure what's going on. But today is Friday, and we got sales. One of them is another auction that went for a penny, and plus shipping, so we got about $1 after I was done. The other one was a vest. We got $20, free shipping. So
It's a Cabin Creek on Cabin Creek.
yeah, the Cabin Creek was the penny one.
Yep.
Chaps vest. It was a nice sweater vest. Black. We got $20 and about $4 to ship it. So figure that one out. Poshmark. We got a bra sold. It was a $40 bra that we sold for $8. We had it for a while. Nobody was buying it, so let's say we have it for $8. And we get, 6 after that? 7?
Yeah, 5 or 6.
5 or 6. The big sale at the bottom was the Thin Man. I'm not sure if I had that in the haul or not. It was a 8 DVD set. 7 DVD set. I don't know. Bunch of DVDs in the box anyway. The movie series The Thin Man from 1950s, 60s. And we got $35 for that. And we paid about $3 to ship it, so that was our biggest sale for the day. So I figure after fees and shipping, we got about, we'll say 35, 42, well, $45.
Not bad.
Not bad for a Thursday.
No.